Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cabbage squishies. First, gather your materials: a soft foam block, various shades of green fabric paint, and a good pair of sharp scissors. You'll also need a paintbrush and a reference image of a cabbage. Make sure your foam is clean and dry before you begin. This project is fun and results in a unique, squeezable toy. Now let's shape your cabbage. Using your sharp scissors, carefully trim the foam block into a round, slightly irregular shape, mimicking a real cabbage. Gently round off all the edges and create a somewhat flat base so it sits nicely. Don't worry about perfection. Natural cabbages have unique forms. This step is crucial for the final look. Next, it's time to bring your cabbage to life with color. Start by applying a base coat of light green fabric paint evenly over the entire foam shape. Once that's dry, use darker greens and even a touch of purple or reddish-brown to add realistic shading and texture. Blend the colors gently to create a natural gradient. Remember to let each layer dry fully. For the final step, apply a clear fabric sealant over your painted cabbage. This will protect the paint and give your squishy a more durable finish. Ensure you cover all painted surfaces thoroughly. Let the sealant cure completely, which usually takes about 24 hours. Once dry, your handmade cabbage squishy is ready for endless squeezing and display. Enjoy your creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.